Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing Tuesday's price action on the OTC markets, and most importantly, what happened with SBFM. Closed up 142% on the day. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like MNMD at 60 cents, GGII at 0.005, ABML at 0.06, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all mobile numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code followed by your number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages, that's the fastest way to get our alerts. Sometimes we do text-only alerts if something exciting comes across our desk. This way we can get it out to subscribers as soon as possible. And with that out of the way, let's dive right in here. SBFM released huge news on cancer. So they came out with news that says destroys cancer cells, expressing P glycoprotein, a marker present in over 50% of all cancer types. This is just huge news, and SBFM has been one that we've been talking about for a while. You go over here to SBFM, you can do a search on the site for any stocks that we've covered. And we had it on watch back in January. 4 penny stocks on watch, January 31st, SBFM. And we scroll down here. What did we have to say? We said with a current market cap of just 33 million, SBFM is a ground floor opportunity ahead of a major run. And this came out in January. We got that run to 30 cents. This pulled back, baselined here, and then we got the explosive move on yesterday. So, again, folks, as I've been telling you all along, book profits along the way, buy dips, sell rips. When you get these, explosive moves, book profits. What I like, if you're looking at today's or price action upcoming trading day in SBFM, it closed near the highs. I expect some continuation. So I expect we'll open higher in SBFM and continue higher. The next target is the 30-cent level. So let's see if they release further news to keep the momentum going. But definitely biggest volume day all year, and definitely exciting times for SBFM. And congrats to our subscribers that have been in it and stuck with it. So been a nice performer yesterday. So hats off to everyone. Moving on, this is on the big board. I got AMC. This is just keeps making nice moves. If you look at the charts here, lower highs, and it just broke out yesterday. So I think we're going to see some continuation in the aftermarket. This is a Reddit short squeeze play. So a lot of hedge funds betting against AMC, and we think this squeeze has legs. So another one that's going to keep moving. Another one we're going to be putting out to our regular readers. Subscribers are already in KYNC. This has just been a great runner. for the past 2 months. Been started at 0.002 and it's up to 0.018. So this has just been a steady climber, and if you notice, it's just stayed above the moving averages. So this has been a textbook trend mover. So we really like KYNC, and we'll be putting out an article on that this week. So again, congrats to subscribers that got the alert and stayed in it, because this one just kept banking profits along the way. MJWL, this is one we talked about last week. Subscribers are in under a penny. We came out with our article over the weekend for our regular readers. The way it works, folks, is we always alert regular readers with stocks we're going to be covering, and then our subscribers get the first look, and then a week or two later we come out with an article for our regular readers. So that's why it's so important to be a subscriber over at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I look at hundreds of penny stocks each week, looking for the best alerts, stocks that we think have triple-digit potential, stocks with low floats, have upcoming catalysts, undiscovered plays, bottom plays. I look through it all. So there's still been plenty of opportunities, just going over what some of those opportunities have been. MJWL, we saw some profit taking at the bell yesterday, but came in and bought the dip. So this has just been a tremendous stock. It's got a lot of catalysts going for it. I highly recommend you check out the article that came out over the weekend. I said MJWL stock set to be the next crypto runner. Came out over the weekend, and then you saw the excitement after trading got started, because we have a huge following, huge readership, and we appreciate everyone that follows us. So again, hats off if you caught our alert and got in early. But if you missed MJWL, just be patient. There will be profit taking. It happens. Nothing goes straight up. I look for healthy markets. I want to see profit taking, because what ends up happening, it's not individual investors that are shorting penny stocks, it's the market makers. And what happens is market makers, when they see a stock like MJWL, they don't chase it. I mean, these are very smart traders. They wait for weakness. So when you see a red day, that'll be the market maker. That's a sign for them to start coming in and hitting bids. Their goal is to shake out nervous longs and drive the stock down, and then they'll cover. So that's the common tactic that the market makers use. That's why bear markets can be, quite extreme, because the market makers are able to, play a lot of games and just shake a lot of the weak hands out. So once the weak hands get, shook out, there's no one left to sell, and the stock starts climbing. Case in point is HMBL, Humble. Guys, the shareholder base it's been a rough few months. It peaked in February, and then it's been all downhill, but there were still opportunities to buy dips and sell rips if you were swing trading. But, we had a lot of drama last week. Hindenburg came out with a short and distort report. George Sharp resigned as a advisor. That bothered some people because he put the deal together. He hasn't addressed why he resigned or if there's more backstory. But either way, he wasn't management. He just was an advisor. So, his involvement is not consequential to the deal becoming successful. Brian and his team have been really, really busy. If you go to OTC Markets and take a look at the news out lately, it's been a lot of news. They closed bridge round investments. They're launching their NFT gallery, acquiring Monster Creative. They're acquiring Tickery. So there's just been a lot of news coming out, and it's got a huge shareholder base, 55,000 followers on StockTwits. And bottom line, I think what happened last week is the Hindenburg was the piece de la resistance. In other words, it was like, okay, you hit it with everything you had, and the nervous lungs are already gone. So when that piece hit, the stock actually closed up on the day. So look, trading in the stock market, it's supply and demand. If there's more sellers than buyers, the stock goes down. If there's more buyers than sellers, the stock goes up. And I think in Humble, the weak hands are out, and the loyal buyers, the loyal shareholders are in it. And I am on social media nonstop. I follow it to gauge sentiment, to see what's happening. And let me tell you about the Humble shareholders. They are a loyal bunch. There's a lot of guys saying, I'm not selling this for, until we're in the multi-dollars, above 10. Some are talking 40. I'm not going to comment on price, because price is arbitrary. It's more buyers than sellers, and stocks can run a lot farther than people think. So it definitely has been a wild ride for Humble shareholders, but definitely bottoming action taking place. AABB held the 200-day. This has been making a nice climb over the past couple of days. Going to be doing a deep dive article coming up on this one. GGII textbook buy dips, sell rips. It pulled right back to the 20-day at 6 cents. And we're starting to climb again. So definitely, follow these moving averages, learn charting 101. It'll definitely help you in making your investment decisions. ABML filed to uplist to NASDAQ, making nice moves here. So been up the past 4 days. So this has definitely been a nice one. Climbed off the $1.50. If you got in, you're up $1 a share. So congrats there. CBDD, this held the 200-day at 1 cent, making a climb up here. Going to be doing another deep dive. We've covered this one in the past, but this chart is looking very nice. So be doing another deep dive on that. But with that being said, guys, I want to wish everyone a great trading day. Make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I got a few things on my radar. Hope to have an alert for subscribers at the bell on Thursday. So, the only way to get it is by signing up with your email or SMS. Because we do it when we do alerts, we don't ever post that day on social media. It's only for subscribers only, to get them in early. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com, and the best part is it's free. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Have a wonderful day and chat soon. Bye-bye.